Well, Heidi ho, I'm back, and I gave you a video the other day, the Ryobi tool holder. Let me show you. This one right here. Well, I need to make a modification to it, because as you can see, and I originated to, I got me a new palm sander. And when you look at it, it's just a little bit too big to fit into the slot. It misses it by about a half an inch. So, since I left this at 3 inches to be able to clear this bracket, and nothing is going back that far, I can take off an inch right here, take off that inch right here, smooth it back out, and then that way I can put my palm sander up there and it has its own space that will always be. Then I move all the tools down one slot, or just move my electric ratchets to the other end, which will be just fine. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I need to measure how wide this is. And what I'm going to do is I am missing my small square. See, oh, if it would have been a snake, it would have bit me. It's right there. And you're hanging right here. And I'm standing right here. Take my square, and I'm going to put it on there flat, and look, and it shows to be 3 inches. Is it marked on that side? Yeah. Can we get it to focus? Probably not. Probably need a little bit of light coming back from the other direction, huh? But let's see what I can do. We're going to put this up in this slot right here and see if we can't see how big it is. Looks like it's right at 3 inches, so I want to go at least 3.5. So, with that slot right there, I need to move that to right about there at 3.5, and that will still give me 1.5 inches, and it's still inside my, let's see if I can get a light on it, still inside my 4-inch mark. So that'll be a 1/2 inch that I don't have to worry about. So let's take that down, shall we? And we're going to move back over here. No, it's not the same day. And yes, it's already been washed. This is the second day I've worn it because I wore it Christmas Day, and today is the 29th. Let me set this outside. The little grumble you hear in the background is going to be the water heater. So let us get started on this modification of this piece of wood. Ding! We're done. Okay, funny, huh? Alright, let's move into this. Okay, as you see, we got our piece right here. And I know when we look at this again, looks to be, see, how am I going to hang that way? Looks to be 2.5 inches perfectly. Yes! Let's do it this way, 2.5 inches. And this is only 2. So I need to bring this out 1/2 inch, probably 3/4 of an inch. So what we'll do is we'll take that line and move it over 3/4 of an inch. Could probably use my speed square a little easier. That's directly at 3/4 of an inch. Perfect. And there's that Pica dry pencil again. Like I said, it's my favorite. Should get you one. Not sponsored. The link is in the original one. Now, if I remember, I'll put a link in the bottom of this one too. See if that palm sander fits. Looky there. Boy, that is perfect. It's gonna fit up there just nicely. And they fit. Perfect. Should try out the new palm sander, see if it works. You know what? That's not a bad idea. Upon reflection, and as you can tell, I'm not cutting no corners here. I would like that to be about 3/4 inches deeper. That way it's not pivoting. And it'll set completely up on there. In order for that to rest completely up on there, taking my square, and I've set it up in here where the slot is, to where just before it touches, and that is exactly 1/2 inch. Because it needs to go up 1/2 inch. Yep, right to 4. Okay, as you can see, I'm not cutting any corners here. So let's remeasure this and we'll put it back up there. Four, because right now we're just at 3.5. It's a 4 mark. That's a 4 mark. And we get back out our corded Ryobi drill, or a jigsaw. Wonder if I can make that a little bit rounded. Just so it fits that rounded handle, because everything else is squared. Well, it's rounded, but it's squared. Yep. Cut on the paper. There we go. Can you see what I'm doing here? There's that rounded edge right there. Get this portion of the handle is going to sit in. Oh my God, that fits all the way in there now. I like that. Well, now that we have that unclamped, let's go ahead and put this board all the way back up on top again and store the tools. What do you say? Got all my tools back up there. What do you think? Take a closer look. Looks good, don't it? I use the drill and driver drill quite often, and now I can look straight through, put my batteries on the charger, just like that. And I've got another charger down there that I could plug up, but I only seem to use one battery at a time. And if I wanted to, I could clean all this off and put this over here. But you know what? That's coming out for the next project. Maybe a skill saw type thing. And we will use the Ryobi. Where does it say Ryobi? I know it does. There it is. Ryobi skill saw. Next tool I need, battery operated saw. So what do you think? This was a quick down and dirty video to show the modification for the palm sander. I still got room for one more tool up here. If I choose to use it, it just slides right in there. If I had one more tool that was like this, you know, I would do that. Right now, I'm just going to put this brad nailer up there, cover that hole up there. I got the router, sawzall, drill, hammer drill, 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch hammer drill, heat gun, couple of ratchets, 3/8 and 1/4. So let's call that good. So I will link the previous video down in the bottom down there. Be sure and click like and subscribe if you like this kind of project. Heck, one of these days I may even redo that out of some pretty wood, huh? What do you think? We'll see. You know, most of them got lights on them and they all lean that way. I never even noticed that before. I like that. Okay. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.